Okay, so this is Lisa, who's probably very tired because just finished the permanent makeup startup course with Katy, her first 4 days initial practical training. So Lisa, this morning, if you can think back to that, we did another eyeliner climb, didn't we?
Yes, we did, yes.
So how was it doing that? Because we had an eyeliner yesterday as well, and then we've obviously done another one today. So how did that go?
Yeah, again, it went really well. It's an easy actually treatment to perform, which surprised me, and Katy showed me the way to do it painless. So and the clients have also reiterated that it is painless. So,
excellent.
And it's amazing because you'd expect it to be so painful.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you weren't that, because I know that some people worry about working close to the eye and that, but I suppose with Kate's training and the gripping techniques and that, you found it quite easy then?
Yes, definitely. In fact, probably one of the easiest.
Okay, yes, lovely, excellent. And then we actually squeezed in another brow client this afternoon as well.
Yes, we did, yeah.
I think it's a lady that came in for lips yesterday.
Yes,
and just decided to get brows done today.
Yes, so she's had block brows today.
Yeah.
And so it's defined the shape, defined the colour, and again, it went super. So really pleased.
Excellent, brilliant. Yes. It seems like although it's been a long course, you seem to have breezed through it without too many issues at all.
I wouldn't say breeze, but yes, with Katy's sort of skills and guidance, it's made it a lot easier than it could have been, definitely.
I mean, is that one of the reasons why I suppose you booked the course, the fact it was one-on-one with Katy?
Yeah, most definitely. I didn't want to sit in a classroom and either be too far ahead or too far behind.
Yeah.
I wanted to be at my pace, where, at the pace I learn at, whether that's faster or slower than anyone else. But that was a big thing about the course, that it was just the one-to-one, me and Katy. And it made all the difference.
Brilliant. And now you're looking forward to going out and actually starting it yourself?
Very much so. I can't wait. I've got people waiting at home, to have the treatments done, and I just want to get on with it. Yeah,
excellent.
I can't wait.
And it's nice to know that, I suppose before you started the course, that actually you'd be feeling that way at the end of it.
Yeah.
Raring to go.
It is, absolutely, because before I started the course I was thinking, am I going to be ready? Will I want to do this? But I do. I definitely want to get straight on with it and start practicing on people. And I never thought I'd be in the position I'm in now, whereby, okay, I'm going to do this when I get home.
Wow,
yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Well, we really look forward to seeing your case studies and your first pictures come flying through, I'm sure, on the mobile service, and have a good journey back as well.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Excellent. Cheers, Lisa.